Oh my God, this is like GQ slash best wedding picture in the world.
That I've been waiting for my whole life, and it is with the man and the person that God created just for me, with my soulmate. He is definitely created just for me. He's everything that I asked for. Babe, you are amazing. You're so patient. You're so loving. You're just wonderful to me, even though sometimes I feel like I don't deserve it. But you are just so patient. You show me the love of God every day. You show me how to love, you show me how to be compassionate, and for that I thank God, because I know that you're my better half. And I'm so thankful on this day, and I'm happy. I'm not stressed, I'm really happy. And I can't wait to see you. I'm gonna see you here in the next couple of minutes, and I can't wait to see you, because just that smile is gonna make everything okay. And I'm just so thankful, and I will see you later. I love you. I love you with all my heart, baby.
You're so special to me. You've been wonderful, and such a blessing to my life. And I love you. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my days with you. And just hope that it's not God's will for me to faint up on the platform. And I can't believe how blessed I am to have you in my life, that you have shown us. So bless us, and in Jesus' name we ask, and we move forward, seeking always your presence, seeking always your spirit, seeking always your direction and your will for our lives, our ministries, our home, for our love. In your blessed name.
For our family and friends, I thank God for blessing me with you. As I think about my life and the journey I've endured, other than the day I gave my life to Christ, there is no happier moment than today and right now. I promise to be your lover, companion, and to continue to be your best friend. I promise to be your supporter and your cheerleader through life. I promise to always put God first in our relationship and support you in your ministry goals and dreams. I promise to be there for you in joyful and painful moments. I promise to take care of you and give you your airborne necessities when you're sick. I promise to be faithful to you till my very last breath. You are the love of my life, and you will continue to be today, forever, and always. I love you, Miss Speaker.
Anna, I vow to love you as the Lord loves His church, to take care of you all the days of my life, to provide for you and remain faithful until the end of our days. I promise to be with you through the difficult times in our life together, as well as the joyous. With you by my side, we will bear all things, believe all things, hope all things, and endure all things. I will love you until my last day on this earth. And this I vow to you, mi querida, my love, mi family.
Mr. and Mrs.